Hey, we've got a problem here.
What did you do?
Nothing. I stirred the tanks.
Hey.
This is Houston. Say again, please.
Houston, we have a problem. We have a main bus being undervolt. We've got a lot of thruster activity here in Houston. It just went offline. There's another master alarm, Houston.
I'm checking it.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a problem going on here. Thank you all for gathering here at NASA. We try to get all of you, all of our top engineers into the room. As you can tell, our space shuttle, Apollo 13, is having issue outside. And there's another ship outside as well. There is the Humpty Dumpty ship carrying a bunch of astronauts that we need to land here on Earth. So thank you for joining us today. Make sure that all of you engineers, NASA engineers, you have your cameras on and you guys are ready to start this meeting, because we need to go ahead and design a spacecraft in order for you guys to get those astronauts back on Earth safely. So today, what we are going to do is we are going to use our math knowledge of surface area and volume in order to get to design a craft in order to get them down to Earth. On that plan as well, you can click onto the example format, which you'll be able to take a look at each of the different plans and what they should look like. So this is an example of what your plans should look like. On the first top section, you're going to be describing what your design is. In this particular case, I have used a dome and a cone for my design. You need to have at least 2 different shapes that you're going to be putting for your composite figure. And here you can see that the composite figure, I use a dome, which is going to be half a sphere. This is the cockpit where the astronaut's going to be, and the cone is supposed to be the crumple zone, or the part that absorbs the landing of the vehicle. So what we're going to do is we're going to have you guys do that design for the spacecraft. And so what we need to do is we're going to go over all the different components you can use to design the spacecraft. We're going to do a model, and then we are going to hopefully rescue those astronauts who are having some problems up there in space and get them landed safely.